Hi, welcome to Miss Samuelson's Science Classroom. I enjoyed the first day of school, and hopefully I get to meet more of you tomorrow and everybody else that's virtual learning. You are going to be doing this activity, Samuelson Science. Now, in order to um, legally do science in the classroom, we need to establish safety rules. So I have a lot of confidence that we will all be back in school shortly. So everybody needs to follow the safety rules. So this is your science activity. It is a Google Slides presentation. Now you are going to be working on this presentation. So everybody will get their own presentation. And when you click it on, you'll see that it says present or share. You can present the lesson if you'd like to, and it opens up this big, but then you can't write on it. So in order to write on it, you are going to write your answer here, but you can't write on it unless you are in this mode. So you want it to look like this. You can't edit. So you will hand this in when you're all done, and you don't have to save it or anything because it saves automatically for you. So for instance, let's go back up and we're going to do the questions. This is slide 13. Don't skip around. Start from the beginning. Okay, so here you go. It says the screens are links that you can click to work on that station. When you're done, save and come back to this lab room. As you finish, drag the check marks to the checklist below. Now, you can't do this because this is Google Slides. You can't save it. It automatically saves for you. So this part says you can save it, but you're not going to. What you're going to do is, what are you going to do first? Are you going to watch it, read it, research it, explore it, organize it? You want to explore it first. So where is the explore it? The explore it is right here. Explore it is slide 6. So when you click on it, you're going to go to slide 6. Slide 6. Investigate each piece of lab safety equipment. Look at each piece and explain how it relates to science lab safety. So number 1, what do we have? Gloves. So you're going to write your answer. What do we have? Gloves. What are gloves? You're going to type right here. Gloves. Keep your hands safe. You will prevent you from getting chemicals on your hands. You will prevent the heat. Gloves keep your hands safe. So you're going to write in there, gloves. Now, I just made a boo-boo. I think I took see, the text box. You need to keep the text box there. So you want to delete the words out. Gloves. Keep your hands safe. What's the next thing? A lab coat. Lab coats. Keep your clothes safe. What's the next thing? Comma, fire extinguisher, etc. Do you know what the next thing is? This is an eye wash. So you probably won't have to use this. I don't have an eye wash in the classroom. Friday, though, I'm going to be doing a special presentation about the eye wash. So if you have seen the eye wash, if there's a chemical, you just go into the eye wash and it allows the water to get in your eyes. This is a test tube holder, prevents them from breaking. These are goggles and they help your eyes. So if at any time you don't know what anything is, you need to look it up. So you're going to write out all of these things on this slide. Good? All right. So when you're done with that, now you go back to slide 1. All the way back up to slide 1. And slide 1 is going to be explore it. So we explored. Ta-da! Done. We explored. Now, you're going to read about them. Read it. Where do we find read it? Slide 3. So this actually tells you what everything is. The eye wash, the chemicals, etc. So now, that's what the eye wash is. So if you want, you can just write down little things. So it says laboratory equipment, type it. So you'd write eye wash and what it does. So it tells you, jot down notes and drawings that will help you remember. Okay, after that, after you're done reading it, then you go back here and you check it off, etc., etc. Okay, so you have to keep going back and forth to check off that you've done every single one until you get to the challenge it. You will also have another activity on Friday that piggybacks the safety and a short little mini quiz after that. Okay, I hope you had fun. All right, shouldn't take you that long to finish this. All right, I miss you guys already. Bye. How do I do this?